I feel like this month was long and short all at the same time, but I'm so excited that we made it to the end of July, and I'm gonna walk you through my daily duo every single day in the month of July. Hi guys, it's Lara. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a full walkthrough of my July in my daily duo. One thing that was requested when I showed my planner stack was to do a big walkthrough every month to show all the spreads in my daily duo. And because I don't film every single day, I thought it would be helpful. I do share every day on Instagram, so I'll leave my Instagram username here, but it's at PLANWITHLARALIZ. And so if you wanna see what's in here every day, that's where I post it. But I thought it would be fun to do a walkthrough. So this is part 2 of my 3-part series about my July planners. And so here we go, let's dive in. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? My son's Old MacDonald puzzle is like possessed. It just started singing. Okay, anyway. Woo, talk about a distraction. I think I might put that at the end. That was hilarious. Okay, so I did fill out the monthly, well, I filled out the monthly layout. I laid stickers down there from Shop Jessica Hart. I didn't use the monthly layout. I don't really use a monthly layout very well in any of my planners, which you'll see, but in my hourly walkthrough, which I'll link up in the cards, I did use that one a little bit more. I don't think I'll use the monthly layout here. I may lay down some stickers because I'm like sticker happy, but nothing too exciting. So then let's jump into the individual days. So I think the easiest way to do this is to zoom you in and walk you through. So what I'm gonna do in the video is I'm going to walk you through each one. I will let you know what shop they came from, and then in the description box, I'll try to link all of them or link to a page on my blog that will have all of them so that if you wanted to purchase one of the kits, it's there for you. So let's dive in. This is a mini kit from Simply Smith Stickers. I just love the colors in this, and my friend Angela has an awesome plan with me with this, so if I remember, I'll also link her in the description box. There's something so refreshing about a Planner Kate kit, especially her Daily Duo kits. I just love this one. I end up using this pattern a couple different times this month, so you'll see it throughout. This is July 4th weekend, started with Friday. This is another Planner Kate Daily Duo kit. It's just perfect for the Daily Duo. And then I used a Scribble Prints Co. vertical kit to decorate actual July 4th. I like it. It was a waste of a kit for just this, but for the purposes of what I was doing, it was totally fine. This is a kit using just Planner Kate, or a spread using just Planner Kate washi. So I really like it. I thought I really disliked this cherry washi and kit, but I love it. I used it this week in my work planner and I'm just obsessed with it. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. So I didn't use these pages at all this month. So if you've watched my videos before, you know that I added a page to add Saturday and Sunday in. So let's look in August. I'll show you what I mean. So this is Tuesday, August 4th. Nope, I lied. That was a bad example. That is what I was talking about. Okay, this is Tuesday, August 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th of Friday, and then I added a page in from another Daily Duo book so that Saturday and Sunday had their own page, and then you're left with this. I have a video, I'll link it up in the cards, of different ways you can use this page. I've just been really bad about using it, but I promise in August I will use it better. Starting with this week, I have a video coming out tomorrow that will walk through how to actually use this page just as your normal weekend page. So stay tuned for that. So you'll see me flip this page in all of the video. So then this is a Simply Smith sticker kit. I love this pattern. It's one of her mini kits. She just reformatted her mini kits, which you'll see later on in the month, which I actually like the new format a lot better. This is a Fern Creek Sticker Co. Daily Duo kit. Her kits are full week kits, but I just used one day. She uses a thin washi strip to cover up the color up here, and I like it. It's a totally different look than the thick day cover. This is an Orange Umbrella Co. kit. This was a kit that I got a lot of comments on Instagram. If you stick around to the end of the video, I tabulated up what were the Instagram favorites and then my favorites. So stay tuned. But this was one that people really liked on Instagram. It is like flamingo themed. It also features the thin washi. The Orange Umbrella kits are also made to fill the entire week. So I just used one day of it. This is a Wonder Sticker Co. kit. I love her kits, and she just added a removable mat option, which I have some coming in the mail and I can't wait to try. But this floral kit is just so beautiful. It's definitely one of my favorites for the month. Her kits are also full week kits, but she offers on $2 Tuesday individual date sheets. This is a Luna Love Stickers kit. I love it. You know, I can't do a week without lemons, so this was this week's lemon kit with some Once More with Love munchkins on it, and it's just so fun and so cheery. This is the Scare School mini kit from Simply Smith Stickers. The colors are just awesome. This reminds me of the fur from, what's his name? Oh, I'm gonna forget it. I can never remember on camera, but you know, the guy from Monsters Inc. But I just love it. She has a full kit of this as well, both for the Daily Duo and for a vertical. This is a Chrissy-Ann Design Daily Duo kit. Her kits are just really growing on me so much. I felt like at the beginning when I tried to use them, I couldn't really get them to work, but I think now I'm getting into a good groove with them. And you'll see I used a version of this kit more than one time this month. Waste of paper. Oh well. Lemon kit of the week. This one's from Black Dog Sticker Co. This is from her full week kit. She also offers it as a mini kit. I mean, what am I gonna say about lemons? It's my favorite. I just can't. And I love the color Papermate flares that I use with it. It's perfect. Another Chrissy-Ann Designs. This is one that I would say on the hanger, so like on the sticker sheet, I didn't think I would like it at all, but I just wanted to do something different. And now I love it. I really love it. I ordered some more of this kit so that I could use it again. And on the Chrissy-Ann Design ones, I think, yeah. So all I did was I just put a sticker of the day of the week, and then I used one of her date dots from another kit. Another Simply Smith sticker one. The colors in this kit are beautiful. I just really love it. Orange really isn't usually a color that I'm drawn to, but I think it goes so perfectly with the green and the pinks in this kit. Oh, when I fell in love with Sarah Marie stickers. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I love it. I feel like the camera doesn't do it justice, but the stickers are gorgeous and the colors are perfectly muted, perfectly florally, and all things that I love. So I'm definitely a big fan. Here's another Orange Umbrella Co. kit. This one is watermelon themed, super, super cute. The colors just scream summer to me. So this is when I actually used the leftovers from a weekly kit that I used in my hourly, and it turned out great. So I get so many questions about like how you can use stickers in your planner without spending an arm and a leg. And like the best way is just to use leftovers. The Daily Duo is so flexible. You can do so much with it. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with this? I just want to point out that I put lunch at 11 o'clock when like it should go here. It's funny what happens when you flip back through, but whatever. You could use just leftovers. And somebody in the Planner Cake group asked like, if people use just the individual date covers. I used to in my Daily Duo before like Daily Duo kits were even a thing. And so it works perfectly. This is from Piano Sticker Co., which she is launching her shop this week, I think. And so her stickers are just beautiful, but these are from her vertical kit, and I love it. Another watermelon themed summer kit. Empty day. Okay, so this is a reformatted kit from Simply Smith Stickers. I love it. No lines on the box, bigger calendar box, and the pink and green in this are gorgeous. This is actually a Tarzan themed kit, but like, it doesn't scream Tarzan, it just screams like tropical, beautiful pink and green. It's another lemon kit. Oh, it's so fun. It's so fun. This is from a sticker shop that I'm going to pronounce wrong, but I think it's Elise. But I linked her below, and she sent these lemon stickers to me, and I think that they're gorgeous. She's a shop from outside the US and has just such fun stickers. So there's another lemon kit. Can't skip it every week. Back to Planner Kate. I told you I had used this kit a couple times this month. Ironically used the like same pattern, but whatever. But just perfectly Planner Kate, mostly Planner Kate scripts, just Planner Kate in a spread. This was the time I just used washi, just simply gilded washi, which I think a lot of you really enjoyed. It's not totally my style, but I think it's something that's a different option if you don't want to buy a bunch of stickers. Just use washi. If you had thinner washi than I had, it would probably be even better, but another option for the Daily Duo. Another Sarah Marie stickers, and you can see I was buying Planner Kate stickers that day, so I listed out all the ones that I wanted to purchase, but I just love this Sarah Marie stickers kits. I really think I might end up using a set in my hourly, which goes against everything I've said about the hourly, but they're just so beautiful. This is another Luna Loves stickers. She does all mini kits. The best thing about her mini kits is all of these, I'm pretty sure, script stickers were included in the mini kit. So I didn't have to buy any, well, I had other, but I didn't have to use any other script stickers to finish out the spread. Another Chrissy Ann design in the stay at home, or like homebody, I think it's called, but just I'm really loving it. Blank Weekend. This one's so fun. This is a Simply Smith Stickers mini kit, again, redesigned with the bigger boxes and the no lines, but the colors are just awesome, and it looks so good. This was the kit where I actually ordered, well, I didn't order. She threw in the extra sheet with my order, which you should all order when you order your mini kits, the sheet 5 to be able to get the washi strips and the time covers. It is perfect to be able to make the most use out of your mini kit. This is the mini kit from Black Dog Sticker Co., which I'm gonna flip back for a second so that you can see. So this is the full kit, and this is the mini kit. So you still get the same amount of stickers for the most part. I think just the calendar box is different. And the only difference was I had to put on Tuesday and obviously dropped in the date, but a perfect option. Her mini kits I showed in my video, like I still have enough to use this again. So huge win. Nearing the end. This is a lace kit from Wonder Sticker Co. I just was so enamored with the patterns and the colors. They're just so feminine and beautiful. So I really loved this. Then this was my Plan With Me from yesterday. This is the Punny Love or Funny Love from Chrissy Ann Designs. So fun, so playful, and just looks awesome in the Daily Duo. Okay, and then nothing, nothing, nothing. And then finally, the last spread, which it's currently Thursday, so I haven't even filled any of this out, but this is for Friday, July 31st, another Sarah Marie stickers kit. Okay, so that's my full month in the Daily Duo. So now should we do some favorites? What do you think was Instagram fan favorites versus my fan favorite, or not fan favorites, my favorites. So let's go ahead and flip back and I will show you. I'm gonna pause the video while I add some tabs in here so that I can flip a little bit easier. Okay, so the way I did this was I just went on Instagram and figured out the ones that were liked the most. If you have a different idea of how I can capture like fan favorites, let me know, but I thought it would be fun to show you what was fan favorites versus my favorites. So first up on fan favorites, this one was number one, was the Wonder Sticker Co. Spread with the flowers. I think it is so beautiful. Number two was the Orange Umbrella Co. Watermelon one, which I was actually expecting the Flamingo one to be more of a favorite, but everybody really liked this and the colors and the way it was all laid out. Ooh, lost my page. Okay. My lemon ones usually people tend to enjoy, but this is the lemon kit from Black Dog Sticker Co., which was number 3. Number 4 was the Stay at Home kit from Chrissy Ann Designs. And number 5 was this Chrissy Ann Designs kit. So lots of fan favorites. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. But now let's talk about the ones that I like the most. I did not rank mine in order because that was too challenging last night. And I think I actually ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because I couldn't decide. So let's see where there were overlaps. I tried not to look at the fan favorites before I put together mine. So let's just pull these off so it's not as confusing. Okay. And then my favorites from the month were this one, which also was a favorite. The Sarah Marie, this one was one of my favorites. This one I just loved so much, but this was definitely one. Another Sarah Marie, and then 2 more, and they're back to back. So these 2, this Simply Smith stickers, and then the lemon from Black Dog Sticker Co. So I thought it would be fun to just look back and see what I liked, what you liked, and then let's talk about a little bit what I'm gonna do differently in August. So in August, I want to find a use for this box. I think maybe I'll keep track of my AM and PM routine. I'm not sure. Something needs to go in this box. It's a waste of space, time, and time, and time, and time again. Something has got to go in that box. So I need to figure out what that is. Other than that, I don't know. Maybe I'll start trying to set up 2 days at a time so that the spreads match. I don't know. I really like each page being different. But we'll see. The biggest thing I want to focus on in August is figuring out something to do in this box. Everybody's giving me lots of ideas and I've like not used any of them, but I need to do something and just be consistent about it so that it doesn't get to be wasted space. So I hope that you enjoyed this flip through. I also was watching Sam from Happily a Housewife today on her July favorites, and she mentioned she was going to do a flip through of her daily duo today as well, so I will link her channel in the description box too. But that is all for today. Tomorrow on my channel will be the weekend spread. I'm gonna do a traditional weekend spread like what most people have if you don't add this extra page. And so I'm super excited to try that out. I still will decorate these pages because I can't stop myself, but do as if I was using this weekend page, which I guess that's the other goal. I need to do something with this page. So hope this video wasn't too disjointed. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything start to finish. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.